Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to give you update, especially I want to answer your questions regarding DV Visa Lottery 2023. Stick around. Coming up. Alright guys, so I'm going to be actually reading these questions here from you, and some of you actually many of you posted questions below the recent video where I did talk about the update regarding DV Visa Lottery 2023. So if you haven't seen the video, I will link the video here for you. Definitely go back, check it out, and let's talk about these questions. Let me give you the answers. So hi, I'm from Sri Lanka. If I get the vaccine Sinopharm, can I move to US? Okay, first of all, in order for you to apply for DV Visa Lottery 2023, you don't need to be vaccinated. In other words, it's not even relevant in this context. You can still apply for DV Visa Lottery. Once you are actually accepted and you are selected and you then submit your application and all the documents, and then you go for the medical exam, then you actually need to submit proof that you were vaccinated. Recently, I made a video where I did talk about the requirements, vaccination requirements. As far as I know, this particular vaccine is not on the list, so I think you have to be vaccinated with Pfizer or Moderna in order, or J&J in order for you to get the medical exam confirmation from physicians. So definitely that is something to be aware of. And again, like in order for you to apply for DV Visa Lottery, submit your entry, you need to be vaccinated. Next question is, when the DV Visa Lottery start? So I don't have the date yet, but typically it is the first week of October and will conclude first week of November 2021. And we're talking about DV Visa Lottery 2023. Somebody made a comment yesterday telling me that actually it's wrong information, that actually the deadline to apply for DV Visa Lottery is October 15, 2021. That is not true. This is not accurate information. Make sure you are not subject to any fraud or scam, because there are websites out there claiming that the deadline is October 15th. And if you come across a website like that, it's not true. The website is fraudulent. It is not the official website. Therefore, like I promised, like I will make a video, especially when I know the exact dates. Usually every single year, the lottery opens up the first week of October and will stay open 4 weeks till first week of November. And so this is pretty much every single day, so pretty much every single year the same. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same this year, and I will certainly give you the dates when I know the dates. But right now, officially, we don't have the dates yet. The official website is not providing the actual registration period dates. All right. All right, so the next question is going to be, do I need a passport for submitting? Yes, you do need and you should have valid passport when you are registering for DV Visa Lottery. I highly recommend, if you don't have passport, get your passport ready. There are certain exceptions, but in general, you do need to have valid passport. Also, if you want to register your family members, your spouse, also your children, make sure that all of them, they have valid passports. At least 1 year or at least 1 or 2 years valid, you know. Therefore, if you don't have any passport, make sure to obtain a new passport before you actually apply for DV Visa Lottery. Believe it or not, people do this every year. They apply and they ask me, I don't have a passport, can I apply? And I'm like, no, you can't, unless you're the exception. But I wouldn't even, you know, take the risk. If you want to apply, you want to make sure you are ready for it. Okay, the next question. I was born in a country that is eligible, but my passport has expired. So here's the thing. If your passport has expired, make sure to renew the passport. It's not that difficult, right? And what is important here is that the country you were born in is actually establishing your eligibility. And also, if you are not eligible, you can claim the eligibility of your spouse if your spouse is eligible, right? But again, it comes down to the same issue. You should have valid passport. And absolutely renew it, you know, because again, you don't want to wait till the first day. Usually the first day when you can actually apply and submit your entry, everybody is logging in, everybody is entering, submitting the entry. So sometimes the website is actually crashing down. So you want to make sure that you do have everything ready when you submit your entry. And again, you're going to have 4 weeks to submit your entry, right? So that's a good thing. All right, let's see, what's the next question here? Please comment when is the opening date. I will absolutely give you an update, like I mentioned already. It's usually the first week of October, around October 6th or 7th, and then it will conclude in November, first week of November. But I will absolutely give you the date when I know. How can I register? So you can typically register by going to dvvisalter.state.gov. What I will do also, guys, for those who are looking for my help, you can actually access very simple how to link that is going to guide you. I'm going to post the link below this video. This is something I prepare for people who need guidance. I personally don't submit the entry for you. However, I created how-to tutorial. If you need help with that, the link to access is going to be below this video, and that tutorial is going to guide you step by step how you submit the entry, and you will find it below my video in description. Is there any info who is exactly eligible for the registration? Yes, always use the official source, and the official link to submit the entry I will actually post below in description. So you always want to use that official link, the official website. You never want to use any other website such as dvlottery.com. This is, for example, scam or fraudulent website that is possibly taking money from you, claiming the deadline is October 15th, even though it's not. Okay, guys? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what do you think. Leave your comments below. For those who need further help, you can check out that tutorial training that I prepared for you, how you submit your entry. However, it's pretty straightforward. So again, make sure you are using that official link. And in my next video, I will briefly talk about how you can increase your chances to be selected in DV Visa Lottery 2023. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe. Hit that bell button so you're notified when I release new content. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.